So be you the dream.
Take me songs. I type in a photo for you.
Absolutely, yeah.
And a photographer. So I'm doing like social media at this moment, like video
nice one.
content.
Wonderful, yeah.
In my page. Like most of my audience is Taiwan.
So when you go traveling, you just capture everything.
Yes,
I
exactly.
love it.
We just spend time with our friends and listen to music, and we really enjoy.
Oh, wonderful. Zoe is your
Yes,
name.
why?
Yeah, because you see this. Katie's my name. It's
Nice to meet you,
that's so lovely to meet you. Thanks for asking. I appreciate
yeah.
that. And lovely to meet you. And what's your name?
Mitty.
Yeah. Sorry, lovely to meet you.
And I will follow you.
And I'll find you on there as well.
May everything you love be nurtured from above, and as you make, may the dawn that breaks.
Have a beautiful time. So yeah, enjoy. Thank you.
River to home.